Call upon our host for tonight, Mr. Ambassador Extraordinaire and Plenipotentiary, His Excellency, Mr. Kenichi Terasawa, for his welcoming speech.
Laususunga le papeangainga, ore taitai ore sauninga. Afio lau afionga le ao ore malo malau masiofo. Afio re si ore fono si tofia mare mare tua. Afio lau afionga le tamaitai aremia. Afifio minista ore kapeneta mao outou paretua. Sio maro ma para potopotonga mai papo. Afifio le mamaru ore au bara auria. E mua ona o pa tarofa atu ire paia. Mare mamarua poto mairei afi. Avea iarei avanoa e momori atuaire anganga pa petai. More pa aba noaina olo taimi e auai mai ai. Ae mai se le tariaina ore vara auria. Firstly, I would like to welcome you all who are here this evening. I would also like to take this opportunity to extend my gratitude for taking the time to be here and accepting my invitation. My 2-year posting as an ambassador was entirely occupied by state of emergency. Immediately after my arrival in November 2019, measles epidemic broke out and SOE was declared. Just after the measles had subsided, a COVID-19 pandemic occurred and SOE was declared again. Unfortunately, I have never enjoyed normal Samoa without SOE. Therefore, we worked with other development partners to support COVID-19 vaccines and medical equipment, hoping that this country could return to normal as soon as possible. The fact that no community-acquired infections have ever occurred in Samoa, thanks to the united efforts of the Samoan government, health workers, and the public. I would like to express my deepest respect for the efforts of everyone in Samoa. During my posting, Japan held the 9th Pacific Island Leaders Meeting, or PAM9, with Pacific Island countries, including Australia and New Zealand. We discussed the economic and social difficulties caused by global challenges such as climate change, natural disasters, and pandemics. As one of the outcomes of the meeting, Japan launched its Pacific Bond or Kizuna policy to further strengthen cooperation with island countries to overcome those challenges. Additionally, I made a lot of friends here in Samoa. I especially enjoyed various volunteer works with the Samoan citizens, such as picking up plastic waste on the beach and running a fundraising marathon event for charity. It was also my pleasure to be able to support the activities of Samoa Victims Support Group, or SVSG, and other social welfare organizations. My Mr. Keisuke Center, my successor, will arrive at this country after my departure in December. I think the new ambassador will also strive to further promote the cooperation between Japan and Samoa under our Pacific Bond policy. Please support my successor as well. Whaiuse whamataranga o te toewhia momori atu le anganga. Whawhetai te leia o tō uma, mora o tō lango sua. Mare whainga uo a wā le akina eina. Ore painga panga, marosi o Iapani ma Samoa. In conclusion, I'd like to reiterate my sincere gratitude to all of you for your support and friendship to further develop the strong partnerships between Japan and Samoa. パーフェタイテレラバ。ありがとうございます。Thank you very much.